model.
Oh no! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be glowing up for my vacation that I'm going on literally tomorrow. At 3 a.m. I'm going to be driving to the airport. At 5 a.m. I'm going to be flying to a mystery location, but I need to glow up before that. I have a little bit of makeup on, so I don't look that chopped. Hopefully I don't look that chopped, but I really want to do my nails before I go, and I'm gonna be doing them myself because I think I can do it. I bought gel nail polish, little gel X nails, and a whole kit from Shein.
In the testing department for that.
Okay, I really don't know how to do this, so I have a tutorial right in front of me. I also don't have a peel off face coat, so if these are ugly, these are staying on. But look at this alcohol bottle. My dad had this actually. He uses it for, like, I don't know, men's stuff, but hello, I needed this. Anyways, let me remove these and I'll come back when I'll come back when I'm doing something like a little more interesting, I guess. I prepped my nails, kinda. I freaking cut my thumb too. Maybe don't do that. If you're gonna do this, don't cut your thumb maybe. Like, don't cut your fingers. Maybe don't do that. Yeah. Time to get into the fun part. I bought these like really expensive. They were $10. That's kind of expensive for plastic. And they're like these curved nails with like a apex on them. Oh, what is this? Almond? Ah! And they're like already buffed. They're pre-buffed. Not non-spawn, but I think that was like cool. From my beauty supply store. I have a video of me buying this actually. Check it out. Check it out. Check that out. I feel it working. I
like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Things feel like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a can. Like.
Let me tap that dog.
Okay, I finished both sides of my hand, and I think it's time to do a little color. So I'm gonna do, I got this Giggles color. I don't know. Okay, this is what it looks like. I don't really like it. I feel like I look insane. I finished my nails, but my phone died, so I didn't record most of it. But like the eyeshadow, I did an eyeshadow aura nail with a little pink gem. And I think these are so cute. They could be better, they could be cleaner, but this is my first time ever doing nails. Like, guys, give me some credit here. Give me some freaking credit. I'm inside, so now I'm gonna go make ramen noodles because this took 5 years to do, and it's not even that good. Almost done boiling. Ooh, ooh, calm down. Okay, now I'm gonna start packing to go. I'm only bringing a book bag because I'm only going for like 3 days. Like, I don't need a suitcase or anything like that. And a little cat bag. Okay. No. Okay. All right. Okay, so outfit 1 is gonna have shorts and a top. I don't know if I want to bring this one or another one. I do want a white top, and this is my favorite branded top that I own, so I'm gonna bring it. I'm gonna be basic on this trip. I don't care. Next, I tried it on just to prove that it was cute. This lace top with a tank top under it. Give the tank top, by the way. So I'm gonna wear this with some shorts again, or like probably like black shorts. I don't want to wear a skirt. I don't feel like wearing a skirt. I'm not in the mood. I got this top. Packing this. Okay, and some shorts. Let's move on to the next outfit. Next, I'm gonna bring this long maxi like white skirt because I think it's really cute, and I think I'm gonna get cute pictures with this. I need 4 tops at least and a sleeping top, so let me get all of that and just come back when it's time to do my makeup step. I actually think I might switch makeup bags because I also have this one, and it like closes like this and it opens up flat. I just don't know if I have space for it in my book bag after my clothes is in there. Like, but this is like my favorite. I got it from Nordstrom Rack, I think. Like, square, flat, take your makeup out. I'm gonna switch bags. I don't care. I'm switching bags now. I should definitely get some packing cubes too because I packed my whole life in a book bag. Like, hello? It was time to go to sleep and wake up at 3 a.m. in the freaking morning to go to the airport. Hey guys, it's currently 3 a.m. and it's time to freaking go to the airport. I'm freaking exhausted. I don't know about you guys, but I'm literally a model. So, yeah, I'll see you guys at the airport. Peace out.
Arrive at Tampa International Airport Economy Parking Garage.
Together. As you're coming to the aft part of the cabin, there's a lot of overhead.
Girl, me and my mom walked to Mexico. I don't even know how else to put this. Yeah. We walked to Mexico, got an Uber, went into a hotel, and stayed in this beautiful city like her. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.